Use your words carefully. Your words have the power to create or to destroy. Like everything in this dualistic world has two sides to it, right? Words can be the greatest tool for creating what we want, or can be the worst tool for creating what we want. There's a phrase that I'm translating from Spanish, so it's perhaps going to be a bad translation, but we often say words will be dragged by the wind, meaning who cares? Words are not, solid. I met a group of people that they know the value of words, they know the power of words, and they say, be careful, because your words are dragged by the wind into the ears of the gods. Meaning that which we're saying is going to have an impact. Perhaps not at the moment, maybe in a week, maybe in a month, maybe in 20 years. Perhaps not in our bodies, perhaps on somebody else's. Perhaps we're helping a person heal themselves or making them ill. There are infinite ways of creating or destroying something with words. Choose your words wisely. That's all you have.